Hello junior KG students. How are you all? You all are fine. Very nice. So teacher is also fine. If all the children are fine, then teacher is also very fine. I know you all are studying at home. First we have finished our first letter A, reading also and sounds also and writing also. And I know you are practicing it. Very nice. Now what comes after A? B. Correct. What comes after A? B comes after A. So this is B. 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 And B sounds B. B sounds B. B. Ba. Be. Ba. B. Okay. Whatever B sounds, that is B. B. So now let us read. These all the pictures sounds. These all the picture sound B. B. What is this? Who can tell what is this? Correct. This is B for ball. Say B for ball. B for basket. B for basket. B for book. This is also book. Huh? B for book. B for blackboard. B for blackboard. This is a B. B for boy. B for boy. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. B for bat. B for bat. This is ball. This is bat. Then, what is this? Who can tell this? What is this? Yes, balloon. Say B for balloon. B for banana. What is this? Banana. Then B for bag. What is this? Bag. Then B for bread. B for bread. Then what is this? What is this? Who can tell me what is this? Box. Yes, it is B for box. This is B for baby. B for baby. Then B for bell. Bell. Turn, 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 turn. This is B for bell. And what is this? B for boat. B for boat. Then B for barber. Who cuts our hair? B for barber. Then B for bus. This is you. This you know. You know it. B for bus. Then what is this? B for bed. B for bed. And what is this? B for bear. B for bear. So again you will repeat. B for, say B. B. This is capital letter B. This is small letter B. B for, correct, ball. B for basket. B for, what is this? Book. B for blackboard. B for boy. B for butterfly. B for bat. B for balloon. B for banana. B for bag. B for boat. Sorry. B for bread. What is this? B for bread. This is B for boat. B for bread. B for box. B for baby. B for bell. B for boat. B for barber. B for bus. B for bed. B for bear. Or you can say at home, B for brinjal. B for bench. Or your name also you can tell. B for bunty. So B sounds B. B sounds B. Now let us see how to write B. Let us see how to write capital letter B. You have learned the shape. Okay. You have to write standing line 1, 2, 3, and these 3 lines standing line bumpety bum B. See. Or you can write upstroke bumpety bum B. Say again. Upstroke bumpety bum B. Upstroke bumpety bum B. This way also you can write, or this way also you can write. Chalo, now let us learn in 4 line. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 lines. And from 3rd line you have to go straight up and bumpety bum B. B for ball. B. B for banana. B for bell. B for basket. B for butterfly. 1, 2, 3 from 3rd line. Don't write here in between. B for book. B for baby. B for bus. 1, 2, 3. These 3 lines. B for brinjal. B for bunty. B for bitter gourd, you know bitter gourd. And B for bed. So this is called B. Like this you have to write B. 1 page homework it is. Okay. 1 page homework. Okay. Very good. Bye bye. Take care.